morning. Happy Saturday. We have another red flag warning day. We're also watching the coastline for some splashover with high tide due to that really full moon leading to high astronomical tides. Otherwise, it's pretty dry and quiet out there. We're topping out in the upper 50s with sunshine. A few drops in our forecast early Monday before a more substantial rainfall looking possible later in the week.
The red flag warning today is in effect through 6 o'clock. We have a high risk of fires spreading today as we're dealing with incredibly dry conditions. Dew point temperature is down in the teens for many spots. Anytime the dew point is below 30, it starts to feel dry. So at this point, we are bone dry. We have drought conditions that are now starting to become more severe. Nearly 70% of Massachusetts in severe drought. This area of orange, 9 inches below where we should be as far as rainfall total for the season in Worcester, and we're nearly 7 inches below in Boston. We are dry this morning with a relatively calmer wind overnight. We did see a range in our temperatures overnight. You can see a big range here from places like Norwood at 32 to downtown Boston at 45 and some 40s heading down toward Cape Cod and the islands. The wind is picking up now, and we will feel it through the rest of this morning into the afternoon. Gustiest near midday, where we could see wind gusts between 25 to 30 miles per hour. But temperature-wise, it is looking mild. In Boston, we're climbing toward the upper 50s. Of course, the wind will make it feel a few degrees cooler. But with high temperatures in the upper 50s to even near 60 in spots, we are sitting nearly 8 to even 10 degrees above average. Clear and cool tonight in the 30s. It'll be more widespread 30s tonight, so a little bit cooler. And then sunny for tomorrow with highs very similar to today, but likely feeling warmer with less of a wind factor. Clouds start to gather by early Monday morning, and there is the chance for a sprinkle or two to pass by. I don't think we're going to see much out of this, as the rainfall projection here is about 1/100th of an inch. But then we're also watching some of this moisture associated with what is Tropical Storm Sarah moving toward the Yucatan, set to make landfall over the next 24 hours. Some of that moisture circulating over the Gulf and moving toward Florida. The question is, a cold front that's cutting across the country later in the week could try to tap in on that moisture. And the question is, could that moisture actually feed its way toward us? You can see how there's this train of moisture moving up the front, moving toward our area for Thursday, possibly lingering into next weekend. So that would be a substantial rain over several days. This is the kind of rain that we need. Let's get you back into our 7-day forecast here. Looking dry and sunny for the Patriots game tomorrow. Really a beautiful outlook, although a little chilly in the morning if you're heading out early. A drop or two Monday morning, but again, that substantial rainfall holding off until Thursday.